This is toxic waste. They look a lot better, but these things are extremely sour. You can get it at Six Flags, not very many, but this is my reaction to toxic waste. Ready? This is one of the most sour ones. Ugh. It smells horrible. I'm torturing myself. I'm not gonna spit it out. I'll pay money for this. Look at these. I'm torturing myself. It's over. Again, you can buy these at Six Flags. Toxic waste. Good stuff. Well, at least aftertaste.